So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with instant availability on Zumper. So once you open up Zumper, go to the location option and then select your location. I will use New York City for this example. Now, if you want to find options or listings that are available now, or I guess instantly available, go to the top bar to where it says more, press on that. Then where it says popular filters, press and highlight on available now. Then press on view results. Now, it's going to be refining your search to options that are available now. So if you need a place to rent as soon as possible, this would be the way to go in regards to available now listings. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals with instant availability on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.